How to attack someone in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can attack someone in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me open the Monopoly Go app first. First thing is you need to land on these attack tiles to be able to attack someone. Wait, let me fast forward the video. So as you can see guys, finally I just land here in this tile. And I'm about to attack someone. So as you can see, we have here the switch opponent button in the middle. You can tap this. And you can choose any of your friends you want to revenge. Or your friends, something like that. Who target you 7 days ago. As you can see, they target me 6 days ago. And so on and so forth. So example, I'm gonna choose this one. So there you go guys, let me attack his base. Yo, it is shielded. So there you go guys, and that's how to attack someone in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.